On this episode, we're going to be taking a look at 5 top budget tequilas for 2022 right here on the Tequila Hombre. Coming up next. Hello and welcome to this episode of the Tequila Hombre, where today we're going to be taking a look at 5 top budget tequilas for 2022. We're going to start with each expression and go through and give you some really good tequilas that are great budget options for 2022. Now, all of these are sippable. We're not looking at mixing tequilas. We're looking at sippable, enjoyable, good quality budget tequilas. All right, let's not waste any more time. Let's get to it now. All right, our first tequila we're going to talk about is Blanco, right? So today we're going to tell you about Arete Blanco. It is a top budget option that is very sippable out of Tequila Arete. It's made right. Beautiful flavor profile to it. Really easy to drink. Super sippable. Very enjoyable. So for Blanco, my top budget option is Arete Blanco. Next, we're going to talk about a high-proof Blanco option. And my top budget high-proof Blanco option is Pura Sangre from NOM 1146. Fantastic Blanco. Very good budget option for a high-proof. Coming in at $39.99 for a liter. You can't beat this. We have it up on fermented still. You can grab it there. Beautiful high-proof Blanco for the price for a liter, $39.99. That's my high-proof option for a budget tequila. It is Pura Sangre's Fuerte Blanco. All right, next we're going to tackle the Reposado, and coming out of Casa San Matias, my top budget option for Reposado is Pueblo Viejo. You can find it for as low as $19.99. It is a great tequila, a great Reposado, naturally made, no additives. Now, this is an older bottle. They have a newer looking bottle too. So if you see the newer bottle, don't be afraid of it. This is just an older version that I have. It's a great Reposado, makes great cocktails. You can sip it. It's great sipper. Highly enjoyable. Highly recommend it. So our Reposado option for budget tequila is Pueblo Viejo out of Casa San Matias. Next up, we have our budget añejo to talk about. And my top budget añejo is Sangre Alteña's Añejo. This is a fantastic añejo. I had a big part in bringing this one to the people. We have it in fermented still. It's $39.99 for a bottle of this. This is easily a $70 bottle of añejo. It is so good, extremely good value. The flavor profile on it is amazing. I don't even mix this thing. I drink it as a sipper. I love it. I keep a case of it here with me, and it is limited supply. So if you want to try this, grab some on ferment and still before it's gone, because once it's gone, it's gone. They're not importing this version anymore. Fantastic añejo for $39.99. You cannot beat this. Last but not least, it's time for the extra añejo. I get people all the time that say, hey, hombre, I love like stuff like Clase Azul or Don Julio 1942, and I'd like something that's an alternate to that is not as expensive. I'd like to try an extra añejo that's, a good budget option. This is the one I always recommend. It is also from Casa San Matias. It is the San Matias Gran Reserva Extra Añejo, 100% agave, just like all the other ones. Beautiful flavor profile, aged in French oak. So you get beautiful butterscotch, vanilla, chocolate flavors and stuff that come through on it. Super good value. You can find it for somewhere between $45 to $55 in the stores all over the place. It is a great option. It's 36-month extra añejo. Very good. I highly recommend it. That is San Matias Gran Reserva. So there you go. That's my 5 top budget options for 2022. We're facing inflation and sometimes we need to save money, but we still want great tasting, good quality tequila. And these are your options. Check them out. You can find them at stores all over the place, or you can also find some of them on fermentandstill.com and pick them up and try them. If you do, if you've tried them before, comment below. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I've got all kinds of other great informational videos for you. And more importantly, remember to click that bell button so you get notified every time I post a new video. We have live streams coming up as well. Love to have you join us on the live stream and comment and stuff. Come join the channel, join our membership. Memberships are great options for learning more about tequilas, getting more perks and stuff from the channel. And we'd love to have you join our community. So like I always say, life is too short to drink bad tequila. So if you pick up any of these budget options, you'll be in great shape. Salud.